Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to convert Bluetooth module SC05 as a master and slave. And we will see demonstration of master and slave in which master control LED of slave device. So let us get started. This is circuit diagram. Here I am using one Arduino Uno and one SC05 module. So first of all, we will convert master and slave device by using AT command. So for AT command, there should be some connection like this. So here is key pin. Maybe here in your device EN. So EN pin is connect to 3.3 volt of Arduino Uno and VCC connect to 5 volt and ground is connect to ground, and here is main thing TX connect to TX and RX connect to RX pin, because generally we connect to TX to RX and RX to TX, but in this case we will connect TX pin to TX pin and RX to RX pin. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So now I will open Arduino IDE. So go to start button and I will search Arduino. Okay, you can see here I am using one Arduino and this is SC05 module. So power supply is on. Now I will remove this module and I will press reset button and then I will connect. Okay, you can see LED is blinking slow one time in 1 second. So now it is connected to board and I will upload this code. This is blind code, so I will upload this. So first of all we have to change here board. Board is Arduino Uno and port is COM port 5 and upload. Uploading done. Now I will open serial monitor and change here baud rate 38400 and here change both NL and CR and send here AT command. It is not responding. So again I will close this and I will again open serial monitor and I will again send AT command. It is responding. Here you can see. So now I will send AT command. It respond okay. It means board is connected. So now I will send roll command. So AT plus roll and question mark. It is reply 0. It means board is already in slave mode. So we need to convert one board into slave mode. So this is already in slave mode by default. One thing we have to check C mode. So AT plus C mode and question mark. It replied 0. It means it can connect only one module. So we have to change this thing. AT plus C mode equal to 1. Okay, again we can check 80 plus C mode. Okay, this is slave mode. Now I will read this MAC address. So 80 plus ADDR question mark. This is MAC address. I will copy this and save. Here I will take a text file. Okay. So now I will remove this board, and here I will write S means slave mode, and I will make another board as a master. So I will type here master means M. I will connect this. So I will press the reset button and I will connect in breadboard. You can see LED is blinking slowly, one time in 1 second. Now I will again open here serial monitor and change here baud rate. Baud rate is 38400, and I will send here 80 command, responding OK. Now I will send 80 plus roll command. This is already in slave mode, so we have to convert in master mode. So 80 plus roll equal to 1. 80 plus roll, 80 plus roll question mark. You can see here it responded 1. It means this has already converted in master mode. Now we have to check here C mode. So 80 plus C mode, this is 1. We no need to 1, we need to 0, because it will not connect another device, it will connect only with slave device. So 80 plus C mode equal to 0. Okay, once I will check. Good. Now we have to connect with slave. So I will send command 80 plus bind equal to, here I will type MAC address. So this is MAC address. So I will copy this and I will paste here. And I will change here with comma. Okay, and I will send. It responded okay. So once I will check 80 plus 80 plus bind question mark. Wow, this board is connected with slave. You can see this is showing here slave ID. So now it is connected. So I will close this serial monitor and this. So friends, I hope you understood how to configure master and slave to Bluetooth module, and I will show you demonstration in next video. If you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal and Patreon ID has given in description box. Thanks for watching.